They say love is a gamble, a game of high stakes and hidden faces. I see her standing there, a masterpiece of sweet contradictions. But look closely, because beauty always carries a price.
Smile and a delicate air, blushing like a rose in the morning light. But there's a storm brewing just out of sight. Fragile heart or a clever disguise. I'm lost in the fog of those innocent eyes. Through the mist, through the haze, I'm caught in the rhythm of your mysterious ways. But I see what you're hiding, I see behind that veil of eternal youth. Honey in your right hand, sweet as it can be. Poison in your left hand, waiting for me. I'm standing on the edge, I'm waiting for the sign. Which one will you give me? Which one will be mine? Right there, honey, left hand pain. Are we dancing in the sun or crying in the rain?
The choice is yours, isn't it? One hand offers a lifetime of sweetness, the other, a bitter end. I'm just a player in your theater of shadows. Go ahead, make your move.
You're pampered and poised, a velvet touch. I've never wanted anyone quite this much. But you're holding your secrets behind your back. One hand is gold and the other is black. The tension is rising, the beat's getting loud. I'm looking for heaven in a thundercloud. Honey in your right hand, sweet as it can be. Poison in your left hand, waiting there for me. I'm standing on the edge, I'm waiting for the sign. Which one will you give me? Which one will be mine?
Right hand, make room.
Sweetness, bitter.
Give me the heart, give me the love, give me the dark.
Right hand, left hand. I don't know. I just don't know. In the end, it doesn't even matter, because even the poison tastes like you.